new module. This is RGB LED HW4792037. It has 4 pins, B for blue, G for green, red, or R for red, and the negative for the ground. And then each pin or in the board or on board, we have 3 SMD resistor. 151 150 ohms, equivalent to 150 ohms. And this LED 4 pins, that's why it is called the RGB LED. So common cathode means the cathode is common to the ground, or we're going to connect that to the ground. What are we going to do here? We're going to blink this LED with the use of Pabo-Ricketts Arduino Uno microcontroller. Okay, so to blink this LED, we need to upload the code. So let us upload the code. Uploading. We're going to connect this module with jumper wires and breadboard to our Arduino. Red is for pin number 3, green pin number 5, and blue pin number 6. And then for the ground, we now have the circuit. Okay, the module is now connected to the Arduino Uno. We will use this battery holder barrel plug using 9 volts battery. Okay, since we are done with the coding, we can now connect external supply. Now LED, RGB LED blinks alternately from red, green, blue, red, green, blue. Using 9 volts to the barrel jack or to the port. Kill the light. Again. That is now our project. Blinking this RGB LED using the 4 pins with Arduino and our supply, breadboard, jumper wires, and the kit RGB LED module. We have now the red, green, blue. Red, green, blue. That is the because we are using the code of the Arduino. That's why it blinks the RGB LED. In figure 1, we have RGB LED control using Arduino Uno microcontroller. So we are using the Arduino code to blink this RGB LED. Arduino Uno. And the power is, we're using 9 volts. To be connected to the port, and then the ground is also connected to the ground of this RGB LED. They are connected. So this RGB LED, it is common cathode. If we're going to draw the diagram, 2, 3, common cathode, anode, cathode, anode, cathode key. So all the cathode, they are all connected, leaving only the anode. The anode, wherein they have each has its own resistor. Okay, and then another pin. So we have now the negative RGB. Where is that? Where is the circuit? So you can see here, we have 4 pins, negative RGB, RGB, and then 4 pins with resistor. You see each resistor, each LED has its own resistor, so that there is a current limiting resistor to each pin, just like here, and it is connected, the red to pin number 3, pin number 5, pin number 6, the green to pin number 5, the blue to pin number 6. You can see here a symbol. What is that symbol? That is PWM. So we are using a PWM pin out. You can see here there is a PWM. Number 3, number 5, number 6, number 10, number 11. This symbol, that is PWM. We need that to control the blinking of the LED in the code. So this 356 is configured as output, and the blinking is controlled by the code of the Arduino Uno. And the value of the resistor for each RGB or LED is 151 SMD ratings, which is equivalent to 150 ohms or 150 ohms. So that is the RGB LED control. Using Arduino Uno microcontroller, we can now blink or flash these LEDs separately or individually. Green, blue, red, green, blue, red, green, blue, red, and continuously blinking because of the code using this Arduino Uno microcontroller.